Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2024 Chrysler Pacifica and I will show you which fuse to check in case your backup camera is not working. This video will apply to these vehicles made from 2017 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now, typically you can test the backup camera by putting the vehicle in reverse and the camera should engage. If that's not happening, or if you're getting like the error message while you try to do this, then the first thing to do is check the fuse. And if the fuse is good, next step would be to look at the camera in the back. You want to check the electrical connection and you want to check the wiring towards the camera, because lots of water and debris often gets into this area, damaging things. So first the fuse, then the wiring connection, then the camera itself. Okay, so the backup camera fuse will be in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood on the driver's side right here. To remove this cover, you have two black tabs. You want to press them at the same time and lift up. On the back side you also have a small fuse diagram, and right here this white piece, this is the fuse puller you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. The backup camera fuse will be this 10 amp red fuse in the bottom left corner. This is fuse number F100. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.